If you're back for another session of daily wisdom practice, welcome home. Hit that like button to signal your commitment to today's cleaning. If this is your first time here, you've arrived exactly when you were supposed to. By the end of this video, you'll have a tool to erase the mental data that's been holding you back. If you find value in this, make sure to subscribe and share this with one person you care about. Now, let's begin. Okay, so today is going to feel a little bit weird, but stay with me. Have you ever wished you could just erase a bad thought as quickly as a mistake on a piece of paper? Well, on day 7 of our journey, I'm going to show you how a simple pencil, specifically the eraser end, is actually one of the coolest tools for mental cleaning. Let's get into the pencil technique. In Ho'oponopono, we talk a lot about cleaning the data, but sometimes our brains need a physical trigger to help the subconscious let go. Think of your problems like a persistent drawing on a whiteboard. You can stare at the drawing all day and wish it was gone, or you can pick up an eraser. The pencil isn't magic, it's a permission slip. By physically tapping an object or a bill or even a photo, you're telling your subconscious mind, we are deleting this specific memory right now. It turns an abstract thought into a physical action. Go grab a pencil with an eraser. Now find something that represents your stress, a bill, a contract, or even just write the name of a problem on a post-it note. As you tap the eraser on the item, just quietly say the word Dewdrop. Why Dewdrop? Because it's a cleaning word that means returning to the morning light. Tap and say Dewdrop. Dewdrop. I am erasing the data. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Notice how much more real the cleaning feels when you can actually touch it. It sounds too simple to work, but that's the point. Wisdom shouldn't be complicated. Your challenge today: tap and erase one thing that's been bothering you. Comment erased below to signal your subconscious that the data is gone. You've officially finished your first week. See you for day 8. This practice only grows stronger when we do it together. You never know whose life you might change with a simple link. Subscribe to join us for day 8. We're just getting started. I love you, I thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.